You have to push *6 to unmute your phone.
Okay, there it goes.
All right.
Do you hear me now?
Yes, we can. All right, excellent. So,
Yep.
this is
Steve,
my
and village president.
Oh, I just talked over you. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, Steve Haberman, the village of Footville president here.
Oh, great. All right, let me just get that. So, can you just spell your name, please?
Yep. Yeah, Steve, and then Haberman is H-A-B as in boy, E-R-M-A-N.
Okay, and you're a village president, right?
Yes.
All right, let me just get that settled and we can proceed. Okay, I think that's good. Looks like we have our live stream going, so we can begin. Thanks everyone for waiting and making sure we get this all correctly processed. Just mostly procedure here, but you know, that's a big deal of what we do around here. Okay, looks like we're good to go. So let me all right, let's get the hearing started. Welcome everyone. This is Docket 2040 WR104, the application of the Village of Footville for authority to adjust water rates. My name is Michael Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We're connected through Zoom with the utility, its consultant, and commission staff in attendance. We've made the connection available to members of the public, but we have no members of the public connected at this time. What we're doing here today is creating the record in the case. That'll be the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as any comments we receive from the utility, commission staff, and members of the public that join us before we adjourn. We're recording the hearing, so that'll also be part of the record that'll be available on our YouTube channel. We're also collecting written comments from the public. They're due December 19th, and they can be filed on the commission's website or mailed to us by U.S. mail. So far, we have no comments on file. So that's our, then what do we do with the record? I shall probably explain that before we move on. We provide the record to the decision maker in the case, and in this case, it's Andy Galvin, the division administrator for the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. So the administrator will review the record and make a decision, and then a written order will issue. It'll be posted to the commission's website and emailed to the utility. So there we go. That's our process, and we can get started verifying those documents. So I do have this little email here that I'm trying to display with the list of documents. And I know that we have someone on the phone, so they won't be able to see the screen share, but I do have it up here on the screen. It lists 9 documents that the utility filed, 3 of them being proof of the posting of the notice of hearing. So I appreciate the utility complying with that requirement. Just want to verify those filings related to the notice and the locations that they were posted. So I don't know if we have anyone available who's has knowledge of that posting of the notice. Is either Alan or Steve have knowledge of the posting of the notice?
Yes, I posted them at the 3 locations, the Village Hall, the post office, and the local gas station are normal 3 spots.
Perfect. Okay. So I just need to verify that under oath. So I'm just going to swear you in quickly. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right. And just give us your name and title for the record.
Stephen Haberman, Village of Footville president.
All right. So for the 3 notice locations, the 3 postings of the notice, can you just verify the 3 locations now that you're under oath?
Okay, yes, it was the Village Hall, and then the Village of Footville Post Office, and the Footville Mini Mart is a 3rd posting location, the gas station.
Okay, great. And we do have 3 pictures filed on our system. Did you take those?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so the pictures there are complete and correct to the best of your knowledge.
Yes.
All right, that's great. That's what I need to verify. Okay. And then in terms of the other documents, they're more technical in nature. We do have the fire protection resolution. That's probably something I'm guessing the village president has knowledge of. It looks like he signed it. So I can ask you, so we do have the village resolution on our screen share right now. It's titled Resolution Authorizing the Village of Footville to Direct Charge Public Fire Protection. So let me ask you, Stephen Haberman, are you familiar with that resolution?
What was the date on that one?
Yeah, sure. It was adopted the 6th of June this year.
Yep. Yeah, that would be so.
Okay, so the document we have on file, let me ask you if you are familiar with the one that we have on file, and if that's complete and correct to the best of your knowledge.
That it should, yes, it should be complete to my knowledge.
Okay, that's good enough for us for now. That's great. Okay, perfect. So the other documents are more technical in nature. I'm guessing we'll pass that on to your consultant to verify. Does that make sense to you?
Yep, that'd be Al's area there.
Yep, he's here. So, and before I let you go, and you can stay on the line, please stay, but just wanted to give you a chance to comment if you have any comments you'd like to add.
And this is pertaining to the building and all that.
Well, to anything related to the case. So all the requests, the application, and its and the decision that we're going to need to make on the case.
Yeah. What I can state is in the village here, we basically beginning of October was the beginning of all our village employees departing, and there was little to no notice, and so a lot of information went out the doors with them, and also as far as any back information from the former president, he passed away. And so we got really no information that we can get there. We do have boxes that we're left with that to try to get through to see if we can find any further information. But right now with the new help and part-time help here, we would definitely need more time in order to see what we could find within the boxes. So, but I guess that would be about all I could say right now.
Okay. But the application for the rate increase, I don't know if you don't know this.
The rate increase, that should all be fine there with the the application and all that there. Johnson Block would have put that all together.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so and that came in July, so that was with the previous administration had made the request.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So.
Okay, that's great. So, well, thanks for letting us know. I'm sorry to hear the turnover situation you have there. That can't be easy to handle, but I'm glad you're here.
We'll get through it.
Yeah, of course.
Yep.
Of course.
Yep. So, okay, well, thank you much.
Yeah, and please stay on. We're gonna have a few more minutes here.
Yep.
I just have someone connecting to us named Julio. They didn't provide a last name. Does anyone recognize that name? Julio.
No.
No. Okay. So I'm not comfortable letting that person in. We've had some Zoom bombing occur in the past, so I think I'm going to leave that connection in the waiting room. But we can, if that person does wish to make a comment, there'll be a opportunity to do that still in writing, so. Okay, let me see, so let's verify the rest of the utilities documents. We have the application, the more technical documents, the application, the amortization schedule, and the data request responses. So, so we do have Al Bray on the line. I'm going to swear you in to verify those. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right. And can you confirm that the documents I just listed are complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, they are.
And do you have any comments?
I do not.
Okay. All right, so let's move on to commission staff. We'll do the revenue requirement exhibit first. So we have Chris Borchardt on the line. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
All right. Can you confirm that the revenue requirement is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, dear.
And do you have any comments?
I have two comments to make. The first comment, in the revenue requirement letter snippet, the applicant needed to make adjustment in the revised 2023 PFDN report. The applicant made the adjustment in the revised 2023 PFDN report. The applicant took care of that. Third item there. The second item I want to make it in the revenue requirement letter snippet, I explained that the applicant had an unauthorized construction investigation in docket 2040 WI 100. Half an hour, the docket had not been resolved because the applicant had not responded to the delay request question in docket 2040 WI 100. They've ever been explained their turnover in the village staff. The commission will delay the final decision in the docket 2040 WI 104 until the applicant respond to the day request. The commission completed review in docket 2040 WI 100.
Okay.
And that's all I have. Yeah.
All right, great, thanks. Okay, so we'll move on to cost service study and rate design with Alex Hanna. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
And can you confirm that the cost service study and rate design is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
I have no comments at this time.
All right, thanks. So at this point, I can turn off the screen share. Oh, and let me just display the notice for one more minute here. All right, so the notice, I just wanted to let people have that in front of them one more time. We do have the opportunity for the public to comment in writing. Again, it's due December 19th through the commission's website, and the link is being displayed here, or the US mail. The address is another way to file a comment. So I do apologize in case our person who connected was a valid member of the public. You do have a chance to comment in writing, but I did not want to let you in the Zoom because it looked like you kind of entered late, and it was a name no one could identify, so I wasn't comfortable letting you in case it was a Zoom bombing, which we've had in the past. So there's still an opportunity to comment in writing if that's the case. So otherwise, I think that's all we need to review. We have all the documents we have, and we've made an opportunity for comment. Turn off the screen share and just ask everyone if there's anything else we need to address before we adjourn. No? All right, well, take care. We're adjourned.
Maybe just one thing.
Oh, yeah, no, something. Yeah, go ahead.
Once the other docket is resolved, somebody will let the village notice, let them know how to respond as far as implementing the rates.
Yeah, do you want to discuss that, Alex?
Yeah, so once the WI docket is complete, the WR docket will move forward. So once that final decision is issued, I will contact you and then the village email, and we can work on that together.
Thanks.
And can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I hear you.
I know my audio was kind of quiet before. And just to clarify, it wouldn't be a final decision in the WI docket that would be issued. Just the engineer would review the information submitted in the data request response from the utility and make a determination.
Okay, that the response is complete.
Right. But it's not just because I think Alex mentioned final decision. I just wanted to clarify in the WI, it wouldn't be a final decision in that docket.
Okay.
Yeah, for the WR docket, it would be a final decision.
Right.
And if approved, then the utility would move ahead with implementing new rates.
All right, anything else? Okay, thanks very much. We're adjourned. Take care.
Thanks.
Thank you.